Hello, sock artists. We are going to continue our sock line design today, and I am going to give you a little preview of exactly what we're doing. We are making a crazy sock. You've seen crazy socks before. They're all different colors. They're so fun. So what we're going to do today is we are going to draw these lines that divide the different sections. So I want you to think about line. Think of a kind of a line in your head right now. Here are some examples. Wavy, curly, zigzag, straight, bumpy, jagged, lumpy. So we want to use all our ideas about line in this project. So here we go. You're gonna watch me first. Don't draw any lines. Just watch and see all the different lines you could draw. And when I'm done, think of some that I haven't even thought of. Can you think of at least maybe two that are different from what I showed? If you can't, that's okay. You can use the lines that I'm using, but put them where you want to put them. Don't just copy and put them in the same place that I put them, unless it's where you really, really like them. Okay, here we go. So the first line I'm going to make is going to be a wavy line. You could draw a wavy line in somewhere on your sock right now, and you might want to use a pencil. I'm using a Sharpie so you can see it really well. You could put a wavy line down here, going up and down vertically, or you can put a wavy line somewhere in here. I like to start at the top and kind of work down. That's just my personal preference. Here comes our next line. The next line is going to be a curly Q line. This one is also fun to draw sideways. My next line is going to be a zigzag line. Remember, you can just watch. And at the end, I'll have a picture of this, and then you can just look at all of them and decide which ones you want to put where. What does this remind you of? It reminds me of waves. Okay, here comes a crazy jagged line. Next, a reverse curly Q. How about a bumpy line? What does this remind you of? That makes me think of clouds. The next lines are going to be sideways lines. You know what I haven't used yet? A straight line. I think I'll put that in the middle since there's some straight lines right here and some straight lines right here. I'll put that guy somewhere there. Okay. Next line is going to be a scalloped line. This is called a scalloped line. You also hear this in fashion design when they're talking about the edge of a skirt or a dress. It would have a scalloped edge. Okay, a soft wavy line. A straight line. Let's throw in another zigzag. And I'm done. You could finish by repeating some of these lines, but you really don't want to have too many lines. You gotta have sections where you can draw in some really fun line designs later. If you're wondering, well, how many? Oh, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 sections down on the bottom of this one. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 going up and down right here. You don't have to have that many. I don't want you to have 32, but if you have somewhere around the number 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever, that's fine. Okay, I hope you had fun. I can't wait to see you again when we add some details to our sock line design.